The death of dropshipping is approaching. I'm sorry to say this, but if you try dropshipping with the traditional methods, you are almost guaranteed to fail. But thankfully, there's still hope, because over the last 5 years, I've made millions of dollars in sales, and recently I sold one of my stores for a life-changing amount. But I can tell you firsthand that things have changed significantly. In this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how I did it and what you need to avoid if you wanna succeed in this business. And at the end, I'm gonna talk with someone that scaled from zero to over $400,000 in 30 days without using the traditional method. Let's begin by explaining this method and why you should avoid it at all costs. Back when I started dropshipping, there was only one strategy that everyone was praising, and it was called the general store. This was a store with a variety of products in every industry you could think of. The logic behind this strategy was that you can experiment with all of them until you find one that works, get as many sales as possible, and then move on to the next one. And somehow in my first year of doing this, I was able to sell over $700,000 worth of random products. But it came at a cost, a huge cost that almost made me lose everything. The following year after doing that, my store came crashing down. And the reason is I never built a real business. My entire business was focused on always finding the next winning product. I would sell one, push it as far as it could go, and then throw it away. And this experience was painful, but it showed me that this method is simply not sustainable. I can promise you this traditional dropshipping method is dead, and you will fail if you do this. But after building my first business and making all these mistakes, I reworked my entire strategy. In 2020, I started a new Shopify store, and in the 2 years that followed, I built my most successful store to date, selling nearly $2 million worth of products, and very recently, I was able to sell this business. This changed my life and allowed me to reach a new level of financial freedom. And I was even able to take care of my family in ways that I haven't before. Selling a company before 25 was always a goal of mine, and I did it without the traditional method. In fact, I would say the method I used is the only logical way for anyone to start a Shopify store going into 2023. So if that's your goal, I want you to listen very closely. The strategy I use to generate these results is called the hybrid method. And there are 3 stages to executing the hybrid method successfully. These are the exact stages I use to build my own business, which, by the way, I've documented the entire thing on this channel, so make sure to subscribe if you want to follow along. In phase 1, you have just one goal: find a profitable product. This process takes time, but it's actually simpler than you think. And I know this because I've helped thousands of people launch their first store with this exact strategy. So listen closely. The first step is to create a hybrid store. This is a branded store focused on one industry: home goods, fitness, travel, beauty, something that you're passionate about and can truly understand what the customers are thinking of. The goal of this store is to give you a platform for testing products with ads or organic marketing. Once you've chosen an industry, you need to find a product. My advice is to focus entirely on products that have recently gone viral on social media. The reason for this is that they have already been proven to work, and you can reverse engineer the entire process. And this is the key to seeing results as a beginner. So you want to go and create a list of at least 10 products that have recently gone viral within your industry. And once you have this, you can start the testing phase. This phase is all about launching simple ads for these products to find the one that has the most potential. In the past, I've had massive success with Facebook ads, but they're making it harder than ever for dropshippers to succeed with this platform. So to do this successfully, I would recommend that you use TikTok ads. This is where all the opportunity is at right now. But to succeed with ads on any platform, you need to implement phase number 2. Otherwise, you're gonna end up burning thousands of dollars on ads without generating any results. My secret to seeing success with dropshipping has always been the upgrade. You can find products that are already selling extremely well and improve upon them. The best areas of improvement are typically the website, the ad, and sometimes even the product itself. That's exactly what I did with all of the successful products that I've ever sold. I was not the first to sell them. In fact, by the time I had found my product, it already had racked up millions of views on social media. So once you find a product like this that's going viral, you have to analyze it for opportunities that you can improve upon, because this is where you're gonna make all of your money. So let me show you an example of a product and exactly how I'd upgrade it. So this right here is a product that has been going extremely viral. As you can see, it got 6.4 million views in just a couple of weeks. People in the comments are going crazy for this product. They're tagging their friends, they're super excited, and they're ready to buy this thing. You might see this as a saturated product, but I see this as a massive opportunity. Here's why. As you can see, they have a really clean ad. It's going viral, people are loving it. But if we take a look at their website, it is absolutely horrendous. The website just looks like a scam. The name, the logo, the title of the product, the images, this whole thing does not give me a single inch of trust. But people are still flooding to this product and buying it by the thousands. You also notice that they're selling this product for only $40. If I was gonna sell this product today, I would make a store within the golf industry and improve upon this because I know that people want this product. And if I made that store, I would be able to sell this product for literally double the price they're selling it because it's a better shopping experience and it's way more trustworthy. If all this sounds too complicated and you want me to help you do it, I'm here for you. Since I sold my business, I've had more people than ever asking for my help. So I spent the last couple of months designing the best program for anyone looking to get started with e-commerce. And today I can confidently say I've got it with the Viral Vault. Viral Vault provides you with everything you need to succeed on Shopify. Our brand new custom built platform is the ultimate resource for new store owners. We've been building this out all year and today it's officially ready to launch. Every day you'll receive 2 hand-picked products that are personally reviewed by me. And each product includes everything you need to launch. Video ads, descriptions, competitor data, and suppliers ready to go. We've also developed the ultimate beginner-friendly crash course taught by me and some of my industry expert friends with over $10 million in combined sales. Together, we're gonna provide you the full blueprint to surpassing $10,000 a month in profit on Shopify from a group of people who have done it time and time again. You're gonna learn everything you need to know from building your store, identifying great products, running Facebook and TikTok ads, and even an exclusive strategy on how to profit off of TikTok without spending $1 on ads. You'll also get access to my private community with my e-commerce experts who are on standby 24/7 to answer any of your questions and give you feedback along the whole journey. And every Sunday, you get to speak directly with me in our live group sessions, where I'm gonna review your stores, products, ads, and answer any questions you might have. Look, I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible, so I'm not gonna charge you thousands of dollars to get help like some of these other gurus out here. Access to Viral Vault is just $67 a month. That's less than $3 a day, and you probably spent more than that today on food or coffee. So if you're serious about starting a store, I'm here to help, and this is the best place to get started. So click the link in the description to join, and I'll see you on the inside. In phase 3, your goal is to optimize your entire business around one main product. At this stage, you should change your store to reflect yourself as the primary seller of this product. This achieves 3 things. Your customers trust you more, which boosts your conversion rate, allowing you to make more money from each visitor. You can charge more money for your product, and you end up building a real brand in the process. Once I made this change with my store, things truly started to take off. After implementing this, we went from generating a couple sales a day to making thousands of dollars a day with just a couple simple ads. This is crucial for long-term sustainability and will unlock true scale in your dropshipping business. To take this a step further, you can begin the process of creating custom ads. Creating custom videos is the key to running ads profitably in 2023. Sure, you can get started and test with repurposing content from the internet, but to truly be able to scale to hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars, you need to make your own videos. And it's not that hard. The most viral ad that I ever created was filmed with my iPhone, and it only took me a couple hours to make it. Yes, you need to make your own video, but it doesn't have to be anything revolutionary. In fact, my video was just recreating another one that had already gone viral, but the fact that I made my own content was an upgrade on that existing video, which is why it was able to succeed. Once you've honed in on your flagship product, optimized your store, and created custom videos, you have truly built a real business and have everything you need to scale to millions in sales. The sad part is most people never get here because they can't execute the first 2 phases successfully. But so long as you can build a proper hybrid store, find great products, and consistently test until you find a profitable one, you can get here too. So as you can see, it's still possible as ever to build a successful Shopify store, but the traditional dropshipping method is dead and gone. The only people who will survive in this industry going into 2023 are the ones that can use dropshipping as a testing platform, and once you find that first successful product, you instantly begin turning it into a brand so that you can develop a real asset. If you can do that, you will create a real business with longevity that you can scale and hopefully sell one day just like I did. The perfect example of this is my friend Dylan. He went from 0 to over $400,000 in sales in just 30 days using the exact principles I shared in this video. So I'm gonna give him a quick call to have him share some advice for those of you who are just getting started. Let's talk to him. Yo, Dylan, what's up, my man?
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm doing great. Hey, first off, congrats on your results, bro. I told him a little bit about you. Maybe to start this off, you could show us some of these results you've done with your store.
Yeah, let me go ahead and flip my camera here.
Okay, cool.
And this was one of the products that we scaled to 400, just under 450K, 30 days. I'll go ahead and refresh it for you guys.
Yeah, and this was from scratch.
Yep, from scratch, TikTok ads only as well. And there you guys go.
Wow, that's very impressive, bro. Let's talk a little bit about how you were able to do that. So when it comes to actually starting this store, can you share a little bit about your strategy behind this one?
Yeah, so we found a product that a few people were testing on a TikTok ad spot, and they were doing well, but we knew we could improve pretty much every aspect of their funnel. So we tested the product with custom content. We made a nice, clean, one product branded store, and it was really successful right off the bat.
Got you. So you started dropshipping how long ago?
I started dropshipping when I was 17. I started with Facebook ads and I got banned like a ton of times. So I went over to TikTok Organic and I just started like posting videos about the products that I was going to test on Facebook, and it started blowing up really fast.
So what's one thing that you wish you knew when you were starting dropshipping when you were 17 years old?
So I really wish I knew that product selection is by far the biggest lever of testing products. So I used to test products all the time and they wouldn't work, and I'd always think it's like something with the landing page or maybe like I need to change the ad copy, when in reality it was just the product.
Got you. Well, guys, on Dylan's channel, he did a full case study, one of the best case studies I've actually ever seen, breaking down exactly how he did this. So I'm gonna go ahead and link that in the description. If you guys wanna learn exactly how he made this happen, make sure to check out that video down below. Well, Dylan, thank you so much for coming on the channel and sharing some advice. I appreciate you, bro. Congrats.
Thank you so much for having me on the channel, bro. I really appreciate it.
All right, my man, have a good day. So as you can see, traditional dropshipping is definitely dead, but building a real e-commerce business isn't and never will be. Thanks for watching.